Hey, Ed Lehman Upfit here, and today we're in the showroom working on my Gladiator. We are going to be doing the new decked single drawer bed system. Right now I've got the original decked 2-drawer, the MJ1. 2 drawers. I absolutely love this setup. Deck says that the new and improved is so much better. It's 1 drawer, so basically you're picking up all of this wasted space right here. You're turning that into drawers, so you're picking up quite a bit. Also, you're getting rid of these ammo cans here on the side with this wasted little space down here. The reason I like that, because now I'll be able to get to this plug. I've had to do some customizing here to be able to get into my bed plug. And then further, you'll have a cubby in the front and in the back, so you'll actually be able to pass through stuff, keep it up there out of the way. So, I don't know, I'm skeptical. I really like this drawer system, so the single drawer is going to have to be pretty awesome to beat this out. So I'm going to pull this one out, get this new one put together and get it put in there, and I'll tell you if it's better or if it's not better. We're about to find out. Let's see. So with the original deck system out, we got it here and put back together so somebody on Marketplace can beat me up on the price and get some good pictures here for them. Then come here and offer me $1, try to pay with a Venmo or something. But anyway, here's our deck system that just came in with some, I guess, clever things written on here. What you're going to need for the install: some tools, some pals, the trusty dog, and an alibi. So I'm not sure new people at Decked think they're funny. But here's what it looks like. All kinds of pieces and parts and hardware. We're going to get it all out of here. This will be the first one that we assemble. The other ones, the originals, we put tons of them together. This is the first of the new single drawer. So we're going to get it put together. I'll show you that along the way. So we got the instruction book here. Decent sized book. And I don't know, must be their new big thing. They've always been a little bit jokish, but all kinds of hey Torque Boy, their ideas of jokes. I don't know, maybe I'm old, maybe I'm having a bad day, but I don't know. It's not my thing. The drawer system itself, first impression, not impressed. That's just the truth here. We are a deck dealer. I love the old system, like I said in the beginning here. Absolutely love it. And I don't like change, so that's another problem. But the drawers were all one-piece construction. That to me, and I don't know if they'll open now, but it will. They're all nice one-piece construction. Like they're not breaking. They're just nice pieces. These new drawers, that's the bottom of my drawer. When I say drawer, you got this aluminum piece. It's kind of nice, but the sides for the drawer are these. I'll have to see when it's together if I'm impressed or not. But initial reaction to the new one, I'm not impressed. Hopefully I change my mind and they don't scream bloody murder about my video. But if they do, they do. I don't know. They say this is the new and improved version and this is what everybody wants. So either me and everybody are different or I'm wrong by looking at a pile of parts that it's going to end up being as nice as the old system. But we're going to find out. I'll show you some of the assembly, but there's a lot of pages here and this isn't a install how-to vid. This is my impression of what this thing is compared to the old one, I guess. So I'm going to start working on that and I'll show you some of it. So I did the first couple of steps here. Got the wheels bolted on here for the drawer. Got the brackets tightened up in the front that hold the top on, and got that bulkhead. Now the next step here is to put this top on. Not going to be super easy with the cap on. I'm sure it'd be way easier without it, but this RSI Smart Cap's crazy heavy. And I'm not pulling it off for this. I'm going to see if I can't make it work. So that's where I'm at. I'm going to get that hung on there right now. I got a few more steps in here. We got this top on, this measuring thing, and this bottom piece here. And I'll tell you, it's getting a lot more stable now. I think a lot of engineering went into it. None of the parts on their own seem like they're worth a whole lot, but once you put them together, they seem to be a lot more substantial. We're about to find out. I'm going to keep going with some more parts here. I'll be back in a second. So with the system in the bed now, we're moving over to the drawer. And I guess the drawer is kind of where I have the biggest problem. I just don't like this construction compared to the old one. Granted, it is some nice extruded aluminum. I don't know why I don't like it as much. Maybe when it's together, I'll change my mind, because those ones come assembled. So the old ones are assembled. They look a lot more substantial from the rib. These ones, maybe they don't look as substantial because they're in pieces. So, according to the directions, that's what's next. So we got our drawer bottom there and our drawer end. Our drawer sides, like I showed you here, we're gonna start getting all them bolted together. So it wasn't too bad to put this drawer together. Followed the directions pretty good. Granted, this is the first one I have done. This kit just came out, so first one we've done. There's the drawer. It's a pretty big drawer. I don't know if I love it yet or not, but I'm gonna stick it in. I'm gonna hang it all the way out and I'm gonna jump on it. I know I could do that with the old kit. We've done it. I've had them drawers all the way open on the original double drawer deck system, the MJ1 for the Gladiator. So I'm gonna stick this one out. We're gonna test it out and see what it's like. Maybe I'm wrong. It is definitely a lot more sturdy after you start putting it together. So the engineering was on point, I guess. So maybe I'm wrong and maybe it is better than the first one, but I'm a skeptic. I'm going to get this one finished up, and that's the next time you'll see it. So after filling this thing up with everything that was in my double drawer, it has an incredible amount more space. It's all in here with extra room, and I don't even have all these bins full yet. So as far as space goes, it's crazy. There's my recovery gear. It is crazy how much more space it has than the other one. It's pretty wild. There's a ton of room in here, and I haven't even started to utilize any of these boxes here. Now it's dark. Or the one up front there. So it's definitely way bigger. And it's a lot more sturdy than I thought in the beginning. In the beginning, it looked kind of chintzy with the fact that it was all in pieces, and I'm used to them already being whole drawers anyway. So you could tell how sturdy a drawer was. This drawer here, engineering-wise, it's probably just as strong as the drawer that came out, if not stronger. They got the same 400-pound rating. It's a nice piece. I like it. I'm gonna leave it in here and put it to work and see what happens. So that was it. Have a good one.